the numerators, 3 multiply the denominators, and 4 simplify if needed. Example number 1. Number 1 here. Example number 1. Example, we have 4/5 times 2/3. The sign is positive, both given. So 4/5 times 2/3. Next is multiply the numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. Then denominator is 5 times 3 is 15. The answer is 8/15. Number 2, 5/4 times 7/15. Both positive. Multiply the numerator. 5 times 7 is 35. Then 4 times 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 1, 4 plus 1 is 6. So that is 16. Then simplify natin. 35 by using a continuous division. Divisible both sides by 5. How many 5s are 35 is 7. How many 5s are 16? 5 divided by 6. How many times is 6? Meron isa. Yung sobra, isa. So, 5 divided 10, we have 2. So, therefore, the answer is 7/12. Divide both sides by 5. The answer is 7/12. This is correct. Example number 3. How about 3/4 times -16? So this will become 1. 3 times 16. That is 18. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. That's -48. -48 divided by 4. Continuous division tayo. Kung anong pwede ma-divide both sides. Divisible by 4. We have 1 and 2. This become 1. So divide both sides by 4. So the answer is 12/1. It's negative, so become negative. Or 12. Final answer is -12. Pwede din naman as cancellation method. Examples 3/4. And this become -16. Ano ang dalawang factor ng 16 is 4 times 4. So ang given natin is become 3/4 times -4 times 4 over 1. So canceling 4 and 4. Therefore, the remaining is 3 times -4. 3 times -4 is -12 over 1 or -12. Final answer. Number 4 example. How about -2/3 times 18/20? So, gagawin natin ay pwede tayo gumamit ng factoring and cancellation method. Factor ng 20 is 2 times 10. Factor ng 18 ay we have 3 times 6, right? So, meron pang factor ng 10. Become 2 times 5. So, gawa na tayo ng bagong given na naka-factor form. Negative 2 and 3. Sa kabila naman ay we have 3 times 6. Dito naman sa baba ay we have 2 times 2 times 5. So, this is another form method of cancellation. Cancel 3, cancel 2, cancel 2. So, ang remaining na nasa taas is negative 6. This one and this one. And we have 2 times 2 times 5. Meron may factor pa ang 6. Right. Ito, may factor pa to. So, we have negative 2 times 3 and become 2 times 5. Cancel 2. The answer is negative 3/5. The answer is negative 3/5. Okay. Example. Ang gusto mo ay yung multiplying numerator and denominator by denominator. Pwede din naman. Negative 2 times 3, 18 times 20. So, multiplying yung negative 2 times 18, that is 36. So, that is negative 36. And this one is 3 times 20, that is 60. Now, i-continuous division mo to para mahanap natin kung anong pwede ma-divide sa kanya. So, we have 36 and 60 divided by both sides by 2. How many to sa 3? 1. Sobra ay isa. Then we have 8. How many to sa 6? We have 3 and 0 here. Then pwede pa sa 2. How many to sa 18? We have 9. How many to sa 30? We have 15. So, pwede pala sa 3. How many to sa 9? We have 3. How many to sa 15? We have 5. Okay, so we have ang score natin ay 3/5 divided by both sides by, ito, multiply natin 2 times 2 times 3. We have 12 divided by both sides by 12. So the answer is negative 3/5. Final answer. This one. Example number 5. Example number 5. Example, we have 3/1/4 times 2/3. So, mix gawin natin improper. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13. 13/4 times 2/3. Factor here, 2 times 2. So, become 13 and 2 times 2 times 2/3. Cancel out. So, magiging 13, 2 times 3. So, 13 and 2 times 3 is 6. Or, How many 6 is 13? 2. Then sobra, isa. Then 1, 6. 2, 1, 6. This is, ito yung cancellation method. Pero if you want to try yung rules in step by step, itong gagawin is we have 13, 4. This another method, yung step by step, and 3. Multiply nyo lang yung numerator times numerator. 13 times 2 is 26. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Then proceed kayo sa continuous division. 12 to 26. Divide by 2, we have 6 and 13. Baliktad. Dapat 26 itong una. 26. So, 26 muna. Then 12. Then, divisible by 2, we have 13 and 6 divided by both sides by 2. Ito yung 2. Then 13 and 6. How many 6? So 6 to 13, we have 2. So that's 1, 2, 1, 6 ang answer. Next, number 6. How about 5 3p times 2 1/4? Improper gawin natin. Mix no, gawin natin improper. So 2 times 4 plus 1. 5 times 5, 25 plus 2 is 28. 28 over 5 times 4 times 2, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. Factor natin. 7 times 4. Okay, so wala na. Tama factor. Ito 3 times 3, wala naman 3 sa baba. So 7 times 4 over 5 times 9 over 4. So, cancel the 4. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 over 5. Okay, so how many 5s are 63? 1, 5, 13. How many 5s are 10? We have 2, 10. We have 3, so we have 12, 3, 4, 12, 3. Yan ang cancellation method. But, try natin yung step by step. By numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So, kahit alin sa dalawa ay pwede nyo naman sundan. Pwede nyo gawin. So, we have 28. 5 times 9 over 4. Then 28 times 9 times 9 is the 72. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 7 is 225. So we have 252. 5 times 4, we have 20. Then divide. It's 252. How many 20s have 2 is 0? How many 20s 25 is 1? Is 20. Then minus, we have 52. We have 4. Is it 4? No, this is 2. 2 times 20 is 40. Then 2, this 1. So this is 12. So we have 12 here. So become 12, 12, and 20. Simplify 12 and 20. 12 and 20. What is 2? What is 6? That's why 10. What is 2 is 3 and is 5. So therefore, the answer is 12, 3, 8. Kung gagamitin kayo ng method of step by step. Pwede din naman ito as to cancellation method or this one. 7. How about negative 2, 7, 10 times negative 4, 1, 4. Improper. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 7.7. So negative 37 over 10 times 4 times 4, 60 plus 1, 17. So negative 17 over 4. So multiply natin yung 27 times 17. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 2, 14, plus 4 is 18. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Add 9, 15. So 459. Negative times negative is positive. So magiging positive 459 divided by 40. Which is 9. 40. Now, divide the tayo. 459 divided by 40. How many 4 is a 4? 0. How many 4 is a 45? 1. So become 40 minus and 5, bring down 9. How many 4 is 59? 1. 40 is 19. So the answer is 11, 19 over 40. This is our final answer. Wala naman yung nakitang cancellation natin. Example number 8. How about if we have 15, 7, 9 times negative 12, 1, 4. So multiply, plus, multiply, and plus. 15 times 9, 45. 9 times 1, 9, plus 4 is 135. Plus 7, 12, 142. 142 divided by 9 times negative 12 times 4, that is 8. 4 times is 8, 4 times 1 is 4, 48 plus 1, 49. Negative copy lang this one, copy nyo lang to. So that is 49 over 4. 9 over 4. Now, multiply natin yung numerator times numerator, the denominator times denominator. So, 142 times 49. This is negative. Kasi positive times negative is negative. Now, 142 times 49. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 1, 37. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 1, 2, 78. Then 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Add them. 8, 15, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 9, 5, 8. So we have 6, 9, 5, 8 divided by 36. Now, kailangan natin mag-divide for this. So, divide natin yung 36. So, you have 6, 9, 5, 8 divided by 36. So, how many 36 is 69? We have 1. So, that's 36. Minus. Kasi ang 36 times 2 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 or 7. So, lagpas kasi siya. Kaya 1 lang siya. So, this is 3 and 3. Bring down 5. So, we have 3, 3, 5. How many 36 is 3, 3, 5? Kailangan natin na mag-try. Example 36 times 9. Check natin. 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 6 is 27. Plus 5, 32. Okay, how about 36 times 10? Ay 360. So therefore, 324 multiple of 9 is 9. And this is 324. This is 1, 1, bring down 8. This 118. 118. So how many 36 are 118? Let's see about 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 6 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 36 times 4, 24. 4 times 12 plus 2 is 4, 144. So, kunin natin ng 3. And 108 is baba. Minus. This is 0, this is 1. So, therefore, ang ating final answer is negative 193. 93, 10, 36. Negative. But pwede po siyang ma-simplify. Simplify pa natin. Kasi siya ay divisible by 2. Example, this one is 10 and 36. Divisible by 2. We have 5, 1, sobra isa, 18, or this is divided by both sides by 2. Both sides by 2. This one. Or, ang sagot natin ay negative 193, 93, 5, 18. Our final answer for this number 8. Number 9. Example, we have 3, 4 times 8, 24 times 9, 12. So from this given, I use cancellation method. 2 times 2, 8 times 3. So I use 8 times 3 kasi merong 8 sa taas. Pwede ko siya makancel. And this one is 3 times 4. So cancel ko na itong 8 na to. Cancel ko na rin itong isang 3. So wala na tayong maka-cancel. Oh, meron pa pala ito pang 3. This one, factor natin is 3 times 3. Cancel si 3 and 3. So therefore, ang sagot natin ay 3 sa taas. Sa baba naman, we have 2 times 2 times 4. 2 times 2 times 4. 3 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 16. The answer is 3, 16. Financial. Okay, so number 10. How about if we have 12 4/5 times 80, 38. So multiply and plus, multiply and plus. 5 times 12, 5 times 6, 10, 5 times 1, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 4, that is 64. So 64 over 5 times 8 times 8, 60. No, 8 times 8 is 64. So magiging 64 plus 0, 640 plus 3, 643. That's 8. Now, we can use cancellation method. Pwede naman ito. Itong 8 times 8. This one. No. So, cancel natin ang 8. Cancel the 8. And we have 8, 5 times 643 over 1. Now, multiply natin yung numerator times numerator. 643 times 8. 8 times 6 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 2 is 34. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 1, 51. 5144. So 5144 divided by 5. Check natin, 24, 32 plus 2, 34, 48, 48, 49, 48, 49, 50, 51. So, divide 5144 divided by 5. 1, 5, 1. So, become 0. This is 0. Here should become 0. Become 14. How many parts of 14? We have 1. Now it's 2. 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And become 4. Bring down 4. How many 5s of 44? We have 8. Right? 5 times 8 is 40. Then 4. So therefore, ang ating sagot is financial is 1,028 for positive. Eleven is, how about we have negative 2/3 times 3/5. So, cancellation method na lang para mabilis. Cancel sa 3, cancel sa 3. The answer is negative 2/5. This is the answer. Number 12, negative 2/5 times 15/4. Factor natin to, magiging 5 times 3. And this one is 2 times 2. So negative 2, 5 times 5 times 3. And we have 2 times 2. Now, cancellation method. Cancel, cancel. cancel, cancel. So negative 3 and 2. How many 2 sa 3? We have 1. Ang sobra isa. So negative 1 and 1 half. Final answer. Last 3. Number 13. Example, we have 7, 8 times negative 4, 7. Factor 4 times 2. So, ayusin natin ang factor niya. 7, 4 times 2. Ito naman ay negative 4 and 7. So, cancellation method. Cancel, 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 cancel. So, napansin nyo, wala kayo nakita number sa numerator. Magiging negative 1 na lang po yun. Then, sa baba ay 2. 2 na lang kasi ang remaining. The answer is negative 1. Last 2. Number 14. How about 2 1/2 times 4/5? So, improper. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1 is 5, 5 halves, times 4/5. I use cancellation method. Ang factor nito ay 2 times 2. So, use natin. 5 over 2 times, we have 2 times 2, and use the 5. Cancellation method, cancel, 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 cancel. The answer is 2. Last one, number 15. How about 5 3/5? Negative. Pwede rin po ganito sa multiplication. This one. Negative 2 1/4. Now, up this, gawin natin to as improper. Times and plus. 5 times 5, 25, plus 3 is 28, over 5, times negative 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, negative 9, 4. Now, check, take a look kung may kakansel. Yes, this is 7 times 4. So, kailangan kabisadin natin yung multiplication table. So, 7 times 4. Erase this one kasi nagamit natin yung 7 times 4. 5. As negative 9, 4. Cancel ang 4. So, 9 times 7 is 63. Copy the negative. And 5. Now, divide natin. 63 divided by 5. How many factors? 6 or 1? 1 times 5 is 5. Then 13. How many factors? 13? We have 2. Times 5 is 10. So we have 3. 4. Final answer is negative 5. No, it's negative 5. The answer is 12. Negative 12. Ang sobra ay 3 over 5. The answer is negative 12 3/5.